Hello friends, welcome to the Succulent Advisor. Before starting our topic, I would like to inform you, if you want to know more about String of Hearts and its scared, then watch our video all about String of Heart. Their link is already given in a description box. How to propagate String of Heart? String of Heart is relatively easy to propagate. There are three main methods to propagate them. One is water propagation. Second is vine cutting propagation in a coco peat. Third is a tuber propagation. Let's see first method, water propagation. This propagation method is popular as it is quite easy to carry out. For this method, you need transparent vans which allow to sunlight. Also required scissor, pointed needle, transparent plastic sheet, rubber band, clean tape, water and string of heart cutting. Fill a little more than half vans with clean tape water. The upper part of vans covered with a transparent plastic sheet and make small hole on a plastic sheet. Take the vine which has 5 to 6 nodes. Then make 2 to 3 parts from it. You can propagate each part. Remove the lower leaves from node portion and place it in a hole of upper part of vans. One important thing is vine lowest point not to touch water. Remember to place the vase in a warm area with enough light so that the root can grow more quickly. After the root growth, you can transfer in the proper soil mix. If you want to make a perfect succulent potting mix at home, then watch our video. Link is already given in a description box. Vine cutting propagation in a coco peat. To carry out this method, you have to select mature string of heart for vine cutting purpose. Cut the vine which has 5 to 6 nodes. Then make 2 to 3 parts from it. You can propagate each part. Take any top transparent container and fill with a coco peat. Here we use coco peat. You can also use peat moss, vermiculite or soil mix instead of coco peat. This cutting portion place on the coco peat and you make sure each node portion cover with coco peat. Close the container top which help to conserve the moisture in coco peat. Give water once a week with the help of spray or injection. Make sure place the container where it is receiving easily bright sunlight which helps to promote of root growth rapidly. After 1 month you can see the new fresh grow leaves. After proper root growth you can transfer it in a proper soil mix. Let's see third method, tuber propagation method. If you have a 2 to 3 year old plant, then its some nodes start to bloat and convert into tuber. For the tuber propagation technique, you need to find the biggest tuber possible. Cut the vine with the tuber. Remove the lower leaves nearby tuber. put in a potting mix. Keep it in mind tuber is well covered with a soil mix. Spray water on the soil surface once in a week and keep in a bright sunlight area. Just few weeks later, tubers start to rooting and you get easily own new one charming string of hearts. Let's go on the next point. How to make a string of heart bouquet. Fully filled hanging pot with a string of heart which once stolen the heart of many collectors. But you know how it is possible. So let's know about pruning technique which helps to your string look fuller and bushier. Pruning is nothing too much. All you need to do is to cut one or more vines from the mother plant using a clean sharp knife or a pair of scissors. Make sure to cut it right under one of the nodes along with the stem. After some weeks, you will see growing new branches at the previously cut point. And finally you will get a bouquet plant. What is best propagation time for a string of heart? String of heart best propagation time is during its active growing period, May to August, means summer to mid-monsoon. If this video is really helpful for you, then like and share it. If you want to know more about succulent and its care, then please subscribe our channel.